Hey, good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about email signatures in Thunderbird email. If you look at this right here, this is what you're going to be learning how to do. Um, I see I got an email from my Maxidavon website pro.com to my Gmail. And you can see right here is my signature, right? I have my business card, my name, my title, kind of what we do and stuff like that. And then here's the connect with me. Now you can construct this email signature however you want, but I'm going to show you today on how to do it in Thunderbird. Okay, you can also do it in Gmail too, but Thunderbird is my preferred application for email. If you scroll down here, I put the code. If you want to get the code, just click here to download it, and that'll download this code for you. And it's going to come like this. And then whenever you right click, you want to extract all, and then extract it to wherever you want to extract it. And whenever you click on it, you can see that there's a browser link to it. So what you want to do is right click and select open with, and you want a text editor, like Notepad++. So you could actually here choose another app, and we'll scroll down. And let's see here. I know I could open it with Adam, but let me go ahead and scroll down because I know Notepad++, it's a universal editor. So you just click open and voila, it comes in here. And then you have all the codes that you can use in your email signature. So basically what you want to do is you want to hit Control A and copy all that code. All right. So that's step one. Step two, you want to go to your Thunderbird and right click over your email address and then click settings. Okay. Now, right here, you want to make sure your signature text, use HTML, make sure it's checked. And then right in here, you want to hit Control A and then paste. You paste it in there, and then that's all you have to do. And now, whenever you go back to your email and you select new message, you can see that your email signature is already attached. So you could style this however you want to in an editor. If you go back through the tutorials on basic, absolute beginner tutorials on the site here, absolute beginner course, and you could get a basic understanding of how to style within HTML. But that's how I got my email signature there. And the other thing too is if you wanted to do this in Gmail, the easiest way that I did it is I used my Thunderbird email and I sent myself a message. And so whenever I sent myself a message, it automatically had that email signature in there, right? And so whenever it came to my Gmail, basically all I did was I highlighted it all, right click, copy, and then I go up here to my settings and click see all settings, and I'll scroll down to my email signature right here, and I'll hit click once inside there, hit Control A, and then Control V as in Victor, and I pasted it in there, and that just puts my my code in there. Then I scroll down to the bottom and I click Save Changes. And now, whenever I go click Compose in my Gmail, you can see that my signature's already there. So let me type in Maxidavon Website Pro. We'll say, "Hi there, how are you?" This is a test email. Okay, and I will just click send, just like so. Let's go back to my Thunderbird, and we'll go ahead and close out this composing right here. If I open it up, come on, open up there. Go to my inbox. Hi there, how are you? Where did it go? Did it go to my junk folder? Oh, it went to my junk folder. Okay. So I need to let this know that this is not junk. Boy, that was coming from Gmail, so that's quite a surprise. So let me go to my email. Hi there, how are you? And you can see right here is my my email signature from my Gmail account. So quite interesting that it sent it to the junk mail, but okay, well, I'll just have to modify that. And in order to modify that, if you go to, if you're back on a website pro here, Let me show you. And you click on the Thunderbird. In fact, if we're on this post right here that I'm making a video for now, and you click the Thunderbird topic, you can actually go to, best ways to fight spam in your Thunderbird email client. And that's how you can modify your spam. So I just wanted to, since that came up on this video, I just wanted to show you guys how to do that. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video tutorial. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next.
Welcome to A1 Soul, the all-in-one application for free speech and personal management. Track your inventory effortlessly. Whether you're a small business or just decluttering, keep tabs on everything you own. Ready to get rid of it? Sell it. Stay on top of your health and fitness goals with our easy-to-use tracking tool. Monitor your stats and reach new heights. Pet owners rejoice. Keep track of your furry friend's health and activity. From vet visits to playtime, it's all in one place. Manage your money and budgeting like a pro. Set goals, track expenses, and take control of your finances. Want to say something? You can list and sell anything legal right here on A1 Soul. Join our community where you can express yourself freely and connect with others. Go to a1soul.com today and unlock a world of possibilities.